Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a hybrid battery on a Prius C. So the battery is located under the back seat right here. First thing you have to do is just take these covers off. Usually they're held by clips. Right here they're push clips, so whenever you have those clips, all you got to do is just push it in and then pop the clip out. It's very easy and simple. After you pop the clips off, you're just going to move all these covers. They come into like 3 pieces, and the battery is located right here. For us to get to it, we'll have to pop this seat out. All you have to do as well for this one is you just pop it up and it will pop right. So I got the seat out. This is your hybrid battery right here. We'll have to take this bracket off. It's held by 4 14 millimeters. There's one right here. There is one right there, one on this side, and one right here. So I'll take these off and I'll be right back. All 4 out. There's one right here, the one that's right here, the one that's right here, and the one that's right here. All you have to do now is just take it out. And now you have access to the hybrid battery. First thing you want to do, disconnect the battery. And also disconnect your 12 volt disconnected. You want to take this clip off with your trim tool or anything that you have. Then after you take this off, we'll come to this side. We want to take this out. The way you take it out, this is the key for it. You just twist it and it'll pop right out. So I got that vent out of the way. I got that clip out of the way, and now we're gonna remove 4 10 millimeters right here, and also we're gonna remove the fan. You've got 3 10 millimeters that are holding it, one right here, one right there, and one right there. I got all 4 out, and I got the 3 that's holding the fan. Now you can move the fan out of the way, move it out of the way completely, and this cover just comes right off. Now you can unplug these, which is your positive and negative terminal, and unplug this as well, and you can get these out of the way. Also on this side, there's this little clip that you'll have to remove. You just press on it and remove it. And right here, you'll just use your trim tool to get it off. And also you have the clip right here that's into the ECU. You'll take that off. All right, so I got the wires out of the way, got these out of the way. You also have to pop these out also with your trim tool. You just take these off. Also on this side, there's a little clip right here and right here as well that you'll have to take off. All right, so I popped this out, pop this out, pop this out. Also popped the plastic clips that was here. Now what's holding the battery down is 4 12 millimeters that we'll have to take off. There's one right here, one right here, one right here, and one right here. So I got this one off, the 12 millimeter, this one right here, this one, and this one. And now the battery is loose, and we can go ahead and take out the other battery, and now we have to follow the steps backwards. So we're gonna go ahead and put the 12 millimeter here, the other one right here, the other one here, and the one that's over here. I got them in right there, and right here, and right there. You can go ahead and plug these back in. One goes into the ECU. This is just a clip that will go right here, and this one will go here. You can also put these back. This clips here, this clips here, and this one clips here. And we can also plug these in. This wire goes right here, and your positive and negative terminals, one right here, this one here. You line this up with the stud, And now you can also put your fan back. Just like that. You want it line up, and over here line up as well. Now we can put that cover that we took off, which is this one. We're gonna put it right here. We're gonna also put the 3 10mm that are holding the fan. So I got the 4 10mm and also the 3 10mm that are holding the fan. So this is locked. You can go ahead and put this orange one, and then you're gonna put the vent back in. You want to make sure it lines up right here, and you put that clip back. Now you can put also your orange connector. Make sure you want to pull up on it so it can lock in, and you can also connect your 12 volt. After connecting a 12 volt, orange plug is back in, all your bolts are in. Now you can go ahead and put that that bracket that was on top. Right, this is the bracket. You want to make sure it lines up with this, also lines up here, and lines up on the bottom and on this side as well. Got it lined up. I put in the screws by hand just to make sure everything fits in and nothing gets stripped or anything like that. And now you can tighten them up. All right, so I got them all tightened up, and now you can put the seat back in. But whenever you put the seat back in, you want to make sure that in these holes you're able to put this the seat belt so they can, you know, fit properly. So you have these two right here, and you also have these two. You're gonna put them in these holes. All right, so I got them in. Now you just have to push back a little bit. Then you come on this side and you just pop down. On this side as well, you just pop it down, and the seat is in its place. And now you can put the covers that was here with the clips, and you'll be all set and good to go. All right, so we got the covers back on, and we are all set. And that's how you put a hybrid battery in a Prius C.